Hello, this is Shiju Thambi. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create our first servlet application in Eclipse. Before creating any servlet in Eclipse, we need to configure an instance of server in this Eclipse. So I'm going to configure a Tomcat server. So I'm going to the servers tab here. Click this link to create a new server. Now I have Apache Tomcat server installed in this machine. So I'm selecting Tomcat 7.0 server. Click next. And here I need to select this Tomcat installation directory. So browse, and I'm going to this installation folder under C drive, program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 7.0. This is the root folder for the Tomcat installation. So after selecting that, click next and finish. Now for testing this server, right click this Tomcat version 7.0 server at localhost, click start. Now in console I'm getting this server's startup message, and also the status is started now, and I'm getting in Project Explorer I'm getting a servers with some configuration. Now I can create a new dynamic web project, and I'm giving a name as Servlet3. Target runtime is Apache Tomcat version 7.0. Dynamic web module version I'm selecting 2.5. If you are selecting dynamic web module version 2.5, our deployment descriptor file will be automatically updated. So we can see this updation later. Now click next, again next. Now for the context route, the name of the application by default. We can change this context route so that name will be displaying on the address bar when we are executing our application. So I'm simply giving servlet, and make sure that this checkbox is checked for generating web.xml deployment descriptor. Now click finish. Now this is a normal dynamic web project. I can see Java resources. Under Java resources, an SRC folder. This is the location for the servlet classes. And under web content, web.inf and a web.xml file. Then opening this web.xml and go to the source view, we can see a list of welcome files in this web.xml. Now I am going to create a new servlet by right clicking project name, new servlet. Now I'm giving a package name. This is my package name, com.test.servlet, and class name as test servlet. Now I'm clicking next. This is the name of the servlet. I'm changing this name to test, And initialization parameter, this time I don't have any initialization parameters. I'm changing this URL mapping. For this time I'm not going to change this URL mapping. I'm clicking next and I'm selecting this do get method this time and click finish, and the Eclipse will automatically create a class. So I'm removing the unused comments and this constructor, I don't want the constructor, and inside this do get method I'm creating a print writer object by calling the response dot get writer. I'm saying out dot println. Welcome to Servlet message. Now if I am testing my web.xml file is automatically updated by Servlet and Servlet mapping. These tags are automatically added after selecting this dynamic web module version 2.5. Now if I am executing this application, right click, project name, run on server, click next, and the configured project is Servlet3, restarting the server. Now I am getting this requested resource is not available because I didn't configure anything for this particular URL which is ending with slash. So I am appending this URL with the test. This is my URL pattern, so I am getting welcome to Servlet. Thanks for watching.